Wow. Wow. I just went on the first bike ride that I've been on since I was last in Savannah. That's crazy. Also, I really underestimated the advantage I have being a Colorado kid who's biked mostly at sea level. That was so much harder here than it was in Savannah. There's so many more hills, the air is so much thinner. I see why people train here. It's 4 a.m. I've been up editing video all night. I woke up at 8 p.m. because I slept all day because I've been sick. And I don't know. I've wanted to go on like a late night bike ride for a long, long time, and tonight I had no excuse not to. Other than maybe being sick. So it was so good. Man, I missed that. Whew.